tao, di ba? Jet ski, budol yun ah. 3 to 6 months, budol yun ah. Ano sinabi niya about kay former Senator Trillanes? Offshore accounts, budol din yun ah. Di ba? At the end of the day, napakaraming budol. Pati yung mga sinasabi niya doon na inaamin niya mga criminal activities niya sa Davao. Sowing intrigues and planting evidence nung siya ay prosecutor. Ano yun? Lahat joke yun? Kaya siguro, okay lang yun. Ginawa niya sa kanyang termino bilang presidente dahil siya ultimately, he's responsible for running the country during the time. Pero ngayon, hindi. Iba na presidente. So, it's either he shut up or he just wait for the elections and show his might. But rallying our people in the wrong direction, using the false pretenses, na parang bang rally the public using false pretenses, parang foul naman yun because, you know, the freedom of speech is not absolute and it has to be tempered and done within the limits of the law.
Gerald, just going back to this, sabi niya enough is enough. Obviously, we can have a long conversation about the 6 months of Duterte's term. We had Senator Trillanes also on our show, constantly reminding us, hindi lang sa mga budol, but yung mga lumabas sa Quadcom na kung ano-ano, di ba? About yung mga potential involvement with illegal drugs and yung mga anomalya nangyari ng panahon ni Digong. But the thing is, he has not been a president for almost 3 years.
Yeah.
Last year palang January, started the year by threatening, essentially destabilization, threatening separation of Mindanao. You were based in Mindanao back then. And then throughout the year, hindi lang siya, but yung anak niya, ng kasalukuyan ng vice-presidente, I don't know how you want to put it, a conditional assassination threat. It doesn't work that way. Right? So when you say enough is enough, it's also about itong attack nila ng sunod-sunod sa ating Pangulo at saka ating mga top leaders, at least since last year, right?
Alam mo kasi, Richard, yung limits ng decency naman,